Hi, we're here today in Florida to test a portable stainless water filter softener. The testing will compare unfiltered tap water with the tap water filtered and softened with the stainless water filter system. We'll be performing 3 tests. First, the precipitation test, showing the amount of particles and sediment, such as limestone, calcium, iron, magnesiums, and tannins present in the water. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some plain tap water first. And then some filtered water. Add 10 drops of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Tap is on the right, filter's on the left. We're going to let them sit for about 5 minutes while we are performing a hardness test. Again, we're going to get some tap water. And some filtered water. What we're going to do here is put 5 drops of each. Red will indicate hard water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the right, filtered on the left. So you can see that's some pretty hard water. So what we're going to do here is we're going to see just how hard it is by adding a neutralizing agent. So each drop here is about 10 grains of hardness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Might be starting to change. We'll see. That's pretty close. That's some pretty hard water. Well, let's go back to the precipitation test and show you what we got here. So we have the tap water here, filtered water here. You can see all the impurities still in the tap water. See if we can hold them up and get a better. Okay, and we'll move on to the soap test. Again, we get some tap water. And then some filtered water. have pure surgical soap, what we're going to do is just add 1 drop to each. So 1 drop to the tap, 1 drop to the filter. Quite a bit of difference with just 1 drop. So we're going to see how many drops we're going to need to add. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could see the difference of how much soap you're going to need to use with unfiltered water to clean your boat, taking all the wax and sealants that you have off compared to with filtered salt water. So that just about concludes the 3 tests. We had the precipitation test, the hardness test, and the soap test.